printed the whole roll. Okay, now your ink collectors, they don't look like this. They're all covered in ink because you put all that ink through the mesh. That's fine. Now, you've done it so many times that these ink collectors, you need to replace them. How does that work? Well, things were a little confusing on that score, so let me help you out. What you're actually replacing is not the whole platen, not the whole ink collector. You're just going to replace the blue inserts. Those are the consumables. Those are fairly straightforward. They have little clicks. You just pull them right out. Once you've taken them out, they look like this. This is what you want to buy. This is the consumable. This is a part that you can order from your reseller, really, but you can find it on the PDF description of the printer. Unfortunately, it's not on our website, not on the HP website, although it's on a lot of our reseller websites. You're getting the foam inside the blue piece. The whole piece is what you're getting. When you order them, it doesn't look like this. What you're seeing if you search around online is you're going to see this. It looks like that, 2 of them. So you're thinking, I don't want that. I want this. So you go around looking for this and you never find it because you just keep finding that picture. That is this. But that's not what comes in the box. This is what comes in the box. This is the ink collector insert. That would probably be a better description. When you order this part number, D8J24A, with that picture at your reseller's site, they will send you a brown cardboard box, long, and it will have 3 full sets of these. These allow you to rotate and print for quite a long time before you'll have to eventually get another set. It also comes with this. This is a replacement for the the condensation covers for fabric, hence the felt. Now, they'll probably send you the old style, which has the plastic tabs. That is strictly for fabric. That's what it's for. It's for condensation buildup for long runs of fabric, like heavy ink loads. These are for that. And they'll probably send the old style in. I don't think the new banner output platen covers will come in the boxes, at least not for a while. But what you're really looking for is the 3 full sets of these. But it will show up as a picture of that. It will be called that, and that's the part number. That's what you want. That's what the consumable is. And that's what having an extra set will be when you need to replace them because the mesh you ran filled up all of your ink collector foam inserts. Okay? Just want to make it clear what you're trying to do and what you're going to get in the box and what it's for so that you can be successful on printing on mesh and fabric and open hold materials, flag banner, that kind of stuff.